Dear 8th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths. Now we are going to solve exercise 3.6. Here we discuss about the linear equation. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 3.6. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase having one or more algebraic terms including variables, constant and operating symbols. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase having one or more algebraic terms. These are the terms including variables here x, constant that is 7, operating symbols that is plus or minus. These are the operating symbols. The number parts of the terms with variables are coefficient. Number parts of the terms with variables. With the variables, they given the part, that is the coefficients. An equation is a statement that asserts the equality of two expressions. The expressions are written one on each side of an equal to sign. Linear equation in one or more variables. An equation is formed when a statement is put in the form of mathematical terms. An equation containing only one variable with its highest power as 1 is called a linear equation in one variable. Listen here. Containing only one variable, their highest power is 1. That is the linear equation. Now we are going to enter into the exercise sums. First question, fill in the blanks. The value of x in the equation x plus 5 equal to 12 is dash. Listen. X plus 5 equal to 12. So x equal to 12. Here plus 5. Bring this side means it becomes minus 5. So x equal to 7. So 7 is the answer. Next one, the value of y in the equation y minus 9 equal to minus 5 plus 7 is dash. Y minus 9 equal to minus 5 plus 7. Y minus 9 equal to minus plus different sign. So we have to subtract this number, means we get 2 plus 2. Plus 7 is the biggest one. So plus is the sign here. So plus 2. Y equal to 2. Here minus 9. It becomes plus in this side. So y equal to 2 plus 9, 11. So 11 is the value of y. Next one, value of m in the equation 8m equal to 56. 8m equal to 56. M equal to 56. Here 8 and m relation is multiplication. Bring this side means it becomes division. So m equal to 7. So answer is the value of m is 7. Next one. The value of p in the equation 2p by 3 equal to 10. Listen here, division. 3 is in division. Bring this side means multiplication. So 2p equal to 10 into 3. Again p equal to 10 into 3. Here 2 is in multiplication. So it becomes division. So p equal to 5 3s are 15. So value of p is 15. Next one, the linear equation in one variable has one solution. Next one, Second sum, say true or false. The shifting of a number from one side of an equation to other is called transposition. Listen here. From this side plus 5 become minus 5. Bring this side means it becomes minus 5. That is the transposition. Yes, it is true. Linear equation in one variable has only one variable with power 2. No, power 1. So that is false statement. That is the answer. Third sum, match the following. X by 2 equal to 10. 2 is in division, so it becomes multiplication. So 2 into 10, 20. X equal to 10, 20. That is first one. It is A. Next one, 20 equal to 6x minus 4. 4 is minus 4. Bring this side means plus 4. So 20 plus 4, 24. 6 is in division. It is multiplication. It is in division. So 24 divided by 6. How many times? 4 times. So that is B. 2x minus 5, 3 minus x. Minus x becomes plus x, so 3x. Minus 5 becomes plus 5, so 8. So 8 by 3. That is C answer. And 7x minus 4 minus 8x equal to 20. 7x minus 8x. So 1x minus 8 minus x equal to, here 20 minus 4 becomes plus 4, so 24. X equal to minus 24. That is D answer. Minus x equal to minus 7 by 11. Here minus 4 by 11. So minus 11 by 11. Minus minus cancelled. 1. We get 1. So it is E answer. Now first one is what? Third one. So 3. Next one, first answer 1, and C is fourth one, and D is fifth one, and E is second one. Which option is right? See here. First one is not. B is 3, 4. So that is also not, because second one is first answer. Listen, see. 3, 1, 4, 5, 2. 3, 1, 4, 5, 2. So that is the right answer. Fourth sum. Find x and y. First subdivision, 2x by 3 minus 4 equal to 10 by 3. Listen here. First 2x by 3 equal to 10 by 3. First step, minus 4. Bring this side means plus 4. Now 2x equal to, multiply these two numbers 3 and 4. 3 4s are 12. Ten plus 12 divided by 3. Here also 3. And then next step, 2x equal to 22 by 3. Here 3 is in division form. Bring this side means multiplication. Now 3 cancelled. 2x equal to remaining number is 22. Again x equal to 22. Here 2 is in multiplication. Bring this side means division. So x equal to 11. 22 divided by 2 means 11. So the value of x is 11. Next one. Y plus 1 by 6 minus 3y equal to 2 by 3. Listen here. Keep the variable this side. Y minus 3y equal to 2 by 3. Here plus 1 by 6 is. Bring this side means it becomes minus. Y minus 3y plus y minus 3y. So what's the different? 2y. Which one is greater one? 3y is greater one. The sign is minus. Equal to. Take LCM for 3 and 6. Means we get 6. How many times? 3 2s are 6. So multiply with numerator also. 2 2s are 4. Minus 1. Minus 2y equal to 4 minus 1. 3 by 6. So y equal to 3 by 6 into minus 2. Y equal to 3 by 6 2s are 12. Minus plus into minus 12. Minus 12. So cancel these numbers. 3 1 is 3. 3 4s are 12. So y equal to plus divided by minus minus 1 by 4. That is the value of y. Next one. 1 by 3 minus x by 3 equal to 7x by 12 plus 5 by 4. Assemble the numbers in one side and variables in one side. So listen, minus x by 3. Here 7 x by 12 is in plus sign. Bring this side means minus. Equal to 5 by 4. Here plus 1 by 3. Bring this side means minus 1 by 3. Now assemble the variables in one side and numbers in one side. Take LCM for the 3 and 12. We get 12. What number we have to multiply with the 3? Means we get 12. That is 4. So here also multiply with numerator. So minus 4x minus 7x equal to, take LCM for 4 and 3 means we get 12. Here also multiply with 3 means we get 12. So multiply the same number with numerator also. 4, here also 4. 5 3s are 15 minus 4. Now minus 4x minus 7x means we get minus 11x by 12 equal to 15 minus 4 divided by 12, that is 11 by 12. Minus 11x equal to 11 by 12. Here division, 12 is in division, it becomes multiplication. Now cancel the numbers and x equal to 11, remaining number is 11. here minus 11 into x, here multiplication, so bring this side, it becomes division, 11 cancelled, plus divided by minus 1, the value of x is minus 1, that is the answer. Fifth sum, find x and p. First subdivision, minus 3 into 4x plus 9 equal to 21. Minus 3 into 4x plus 9 equal to 21. First 4x plus 9 in bracket keep here, 21 minus 3 is multiplication with this bracket, so bring this side means it becomes division. So 4x plus 9 equal to 21 by plus divided by minus 21 by 3 gets 7. Now 4x equal to minus 7, here 9 is in plus sign, bring this side means minus. So 4x equal to minus 7 minus 9, same sign means we have to add this number with the same sign, so put the sign and add this number means we get 16. So x equal to minus 16, here 4 is in multiplication, bring this side means division, so x equal to minus divided by plus minus 16 divided by 4, 4. So the value of x is minus 4. Next sum, 20 minus 2 into 5 minus p equal to 8. 20 minus 2 into 5 minus p equal to 8. Minus 2 into 5 minus p equal to 8. Here 20 is in plus sign, bring this side means minus. So minus 2 into 5 minus p equal to plus 8 minus 20, different sign. So we have to subtract this numbers. What is the difference? 12. Which one is greater here? 20. That sign is minus. Right? Next one. Keep the bracket here. Minus 12. Listen. This 2 is multiplied with this bracket. So bring this side means it becomes division. Now 5 minus p equal to minus cancelled, 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Now minus p equal to 6 plus 5, bring this side means minus 5. Minus p equal to 1. So p equal to minus 1. The value of p is equal to minus 1. That is the answer. Next one. 7x minus 5 minus 4 into 2 plus 5x equal to 10 into 2 minus x. Listen here. Seven x minus 5. Remove the bracket because before the bracket nothing is there. Now next step is minus 4 is multiplied with these two numbers. Minus into plus minus 4 2s are 8 and minus into plus minus 4 5s are 20 x equal to 10 into 2 20 plus into minus, minus 10x, 10 into x, 10x. Now assemble the variables. 7x minus 20x minus 10x becomes plus 10x equal to, assemble the numbers this side, 20 here already, minus 5 become plus 5, minus 8 becomes plus 8. Now plus sign, 7x and 10x is in plus sign, so 17x minus 20x equal to 20 plus 5, 25 plus 8, 33 plus 17x minus 20x. Difference sign means we have to subtract. What's the difference? 3x. Which one is greater here? Minus 20 is greater here, so that sign is minus, equal to 33. So x equal to 33 minus 3 is in multiplication here. Bring this side means division. So x equal to plus divided by minus, minus 33 divided by 3, 11. So x equal to minus 11 is the answer. Sixth sum, find x and m. First subdivision, 3x minus 2 by 4 minus x minus 3 by 5 equal to minus 1. Listen. Take LCM for that, 4 and 5. We get 20. 4 and 5 LCM, take LCM means we get 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So LCM equal to 20. Now multiply the numbers. 5, so here also multiply with 5. 4 means here also multiply with 4. So 5 into 3x minus 2 minus 4 into x minus 3 equal to minus 1. Next step, multiply the number inside the with inside numbers. 5 plus into plus, plus 5 3s are 15, x. So 15x plus into minus, minus 5 2s are 10. Minus into plus, minus 4 into x, 4x. Minus into minus, plus 12 equal to minus 1. Here 20 is in division. Bring this side means it becomes multiplication. Now assemble the variables. 15x minus 4x. Listen here, minus 10 plus 12, different sign. So subtract the numbers means we get 2 difference. Differences 2. Which one is greater here? Plus 12 is greater here, the sign is plus. Equal to minus into plus, minus 1 into 20, 20. Now 15x minus 4x means get 11x equal to minus 20. Listen, plus 20, plus 2 is here. Bring this side means it becomes minus 2. So 11x equal to minus 20 minus 2. Same sign. put the sign, same sign, add the numbers, that is minus 22. So x equal to minus 22. Here 11 is in multiplication. Bring this side means division. So x equal to minus divided by plus minus 22 divided by 11, 2. So the value of x is minus 2. Next sum. M plus 9 divided by 3m plus 15 equal to 5 by 3. So we have to take the cross multiplication. So 3 into m plus 9 equal to 5 into 3m plus 15. Now multiply the numbers with inside numbers. Plus into plus 3 into m, 3m, plus into plus 3 9s are 27, equal to plus into plus 5 3s are 15, m, plus into plus 5 15s are 75. Now assemble the variables one side and numbers one side. So 3m plus 15m is, bring this side means minus 15m, equal to 75 is there. Bring the 27 plus 27 to this side means it becomes minus 27. So we assemble the variables in one side and numbers in one side. Now solve that. Plus 3m minus 15m, different sign. So we have to subtract the numbers. We get 12m. 12m is the different. Which one is greater here? 15m. That sign is minus. So put the minus sign. Equal to 75 minus 27. We get 48. Different sign, right? Plus minus. So we have to subtract the numbers means 48. Which one is greater here? 75 is greater one. That sign is plus. No need to put plus. So m equal to 48. Here minus 12 is in multiplication. Bring this side means division. So m equal to plus divided by minus, minus 48 divided by 12 means 4 times. So the value of m is minus 4. That is the answer. Here exercise 3.6 is over. So children practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.